Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tuesday's Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be breaking down the tap step known as a scissor step. So grab those tap shoes and let's get started. Alright guys, to begin our scissor step, we're going to start with a shuffle. You're going to shuffle to the side. You're going to go up onto those toes, toe, toe. From there, you're going to do a toe heel on that right foot, and you're going to stomp the other foot. Then we're going to go on the other side. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. So once again, nice and slow. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. And let's try that just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. All right, let's break that down facing the back, nice and slow. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. Other side. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. And a little bit faster. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. Shuffle, toe, 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 heel, stomp. All right, and sped up, it's going to look like this. And sped up facing the back. Even faster. Alright guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's tips and tricks. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.